give you my honest opinion on this hair. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it could have been a little bit thicker because I like big hair. But you know what? For 130 density, you get 130 density. And for $57, less than 60, yeah, I will rock it again. Absolutely. I keep telling y'all, you have to engage. You have to engage. The only way that we're getting anywhere lately on YouTube is by engagement. Engagement, which means that you have to click the like button, you have to share the video, you have to make a comment, and then hit the notification bell. The notification bell is on the right beside the subscribe button.
Thinking about your love,
yeah. Everybody get chopped down. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
You want to hit that so that every time that I make a video, you can see it. Because really, why would you subscribe to my video and then not get any notifications when I post so you can see my work, you know? So if you are absolutely subscribed to me, then make sure to hit the notification bell. Otherwise, trust me, you will not be seeing any of my videos. YouTube is just going to be throwing different things at you. I am here to show you this gorgeous unit that Xtrend sent to me. It's a company on Amazon, and they sent me this 12-inch bob wig that is so beautiful. If you remember in one of my crochet videos, I was saying that I'm learning how to apply the lace front wigs, and this is the third lace front wig that I've played with. It's a natural one black color, and with the lace front, I tweezed the lace front. Now make sure you get you a really good tweezer, perhaps something from, you know, the drugstore, something that has a good tip to it. Hey guys, welcome again to this channel. Today I am reviewing this hair. This is a Brazilian hair, 12 inches, 130 density, and the knots in front are single knots, and so it's really easy to tweeze it out. You might go overboard tweezing if you're not careful because it tweezes out so easy. This is the first wig I have tried that the tweezing is so easy, so I like that. My first impression on this hair was that they're super soft. Now it is not too thick, but it doesn't look like it. It didn't have any bad smell to it, and so that was not an issue. I tried bleaching the knots initially. I'm learning how to bleach knots. The first time I tried to bleach knots, the bleach seeped into the hairline, and I didn't like that. I will show you guys that video very soon. And so this time around, I made my bleach consistency a little bit more thicker, and then I put it on the hair, and it still seeped through. So as soon as I saw that it was seeping through into the hair itself, I just washed it out quickly because I didn't want to ruin the hair, okay? So I am still working on that to learn how to bleach knot. What I did was I tried the fake scalp method with this wig, and I'll say that you don't necessarily have to go through all the trouble of doing the fake scalp method. You can just put foundation on the lace off your wig and call it a day. But I just wanted to try to see what it was about, and honestly, it is okay. I would not go out of my way to do that. It didn't do anything extraordinary to the lace off the wig, so I wouldn't even bother next. I learned from Miss Precious Marie how to apply lace fronts, and I know that some of the new things that I've learned is when you tweeze, you want to pick maybe 4 or 5 strands and then tweeze that part and then move to the next area and tweeze the next part. You don't want to tweeze too many at the same spot. I really went all out in this tweezing. I tweezed a lot. I tried to mimic my natural hairline while I was tweezing this hair. It already comes partially tweezed, and so if you want, you could wear the unit as is, but I just wanted to try my hands at trying to customize the front line myself, and so I really am excited about how it turned out. So the company says that this hair does not shed. Did I experience it shedding? Honestly, I would not say it shed. Even if I experienced shedding, it was when I tweezed it out and I combed out. That's when it, you know, that's where the hair came out. But I didn't experience any shedding. So yes, they said no shedding. That's true. It is a Brazilian virgin human hair. So I guess that is why they have little bitty tiny strands of brown hair mixed in it, because it's a natural hair. It has not been bleached. It has not been dyed. So it's not solid black. It has strands of color, brown color mixed in it. So I went to Walgreens, I bought one of these small pantyhose, and I cut the top off because the top has a tight elastic to hold your calf. I cut the top off and then I placed it on the back of the unit. I sprayed Got To Be Glued all over it. When it dried, I went another round and sprayed Got To Be Glued on it again. Then I dried it, then I cut the stocking cap off the unit. So when you look at it, you have just the stocking cap on the lace part. I'm very proud at my first time of doing this. I have never done this fake scalp method before, and I'm really excited about the way that this turned out. It turned out really cute. Wiped some of the makeup, a little bit of the makeup from my hairline, and then I also wiped it with some alcohol. My thoughts on this is perhaps I should have put some foundation on the unit before I did the fake scalp method, because right now as I have just pulled this up, I'm realizing the pantyhose is coming off very easily. For me, because the Got To Be Glued just starts running over my makeup and ruins everything, I am going to put it here. From my researching on YouTube, I have learned that if you mix the Got To Be Glued spray with the gel, it works really great. So I'm going to try that today. The gel I'm going to use is the black one, and I believe that is clear. So I'm going to put some in here. Yes, that's clear. It's clear, so I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to mix it with the spray. And this is the consistency that I got. I don't want it on my skin too much because my hairline comes pretty low on my face. So if I move the Got To Be Glued a little bit more towards my forehead, I'm going to look like I have a real low hairline. So I'm going to apply it into my hair, and I'll just make sure that I use water to peel it off and not yank it so I don't lose my edges. Xtrend also sent me this hair bands to tie your hairline. It comes 2 in a pack. So yeah, I'm going to be trying that also. It is a satin scarf. I wish it was a little bit longer to band it probably twice. So guys, I'm going to let this set. It's been about 10 minutes since I've had it tied, and so I'm going to take it out and see how it's looking. Fingers crossed. First of all, I'll say what I'm seeing is that shine, you know, that shine that you get from the gel. I see that on my skin right here. So I'm going to have to wipe it with some water. Wiped my makeup off so that I fix that. A little bit closer. I'm going to try to now I don't want to pull my hair off, so I'm going to use this. I put water in there. I'm going to use, since water takes off got to be glued, I'm going to use this water to run through the glue so I don't pull my hair out. I'm probably going to need a little bit of the glue to make, let me see, I'll come a little closer. I can see right here how it is not laying properly, so I'll put a little bit of this frizz spray there and see how it works. I did not mean to do that, but okay, whatever. Really? The razor broke. First, I'm going to wipe this off so it's cleaner. So this is all just experimentation, because I have learned from other people, but at the same time, as I am doing it, if it's not coming through like the way that they did it, I am going to have to fix it my own way. You know what I mean? So just know that when you watch these videos like I do, and you are applying anything and it doesn't go the way that they do it, do your own thing. I think that somebody else's technique serves as a guide for you. I think it's decent. I mean, at the end of the day, it is a wig. So trying to make it look like it's not a wig, I think this is the best I can do. I like it. I think I did a decent job. I'm going to be wearing this for a while to see how I like it. But so far, so good, guys. I will leave the link to the hair in the description box. Okay, guys, I appreciate you guys so much for staying, for watching, and for joining me today. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.